So like I said, I'm actually using phone to to do all this so that you can easily understand. And if you know how to use your phone very well in creating ads, you know, using laptop will be way more easier because some of the things we are trying to, you know, some of the buttons we can't really see very well. You see everything on your laptop. So if you can master the use of your phone, you it will be very easy for you to use your laptop. Very easy for you when you use your laptop. So let's create an ad. Click on this create button here, and then you see loading creation. So what type of ad do we want to create? That's the first question you ask yourself. What type of product are we promoting? Is it a health product? Is it a clothing material? Is it whatever whatever product you're promoting? You need to identify that first, and then the next thing to do is to determine the campaign objective. Now there are different objectives here. There are different objectives here, and you have to know which of the objective you have to use to promote whatever you want to promote. So the first objective here is awareness. Shows your ad to people who are most likely to remember them, uh, and it is also good for reach. That is, if you want to reach a lot of people, just to create awareness about your product. Let's say your brand is a new brand, and then you want to create awareness before before putting up sales opportunity, or before selling to the audience. You just want to create awareness first before selling to the audience. I would advise you to make use of awareness, this awareness objective. It is used for brand awareness, video views, and store location awareness. That's for the awareness objective. The next is traffic. Now traffic sends people to a destination such as your website, app, or Facebook event. That is what this traffic objective is used for. It sends people to your website. If you have a website and you want to have more traffic, you want to have people visiting your website, and then going through whatever thing you want them to do on your website. Traffic objective is the best for that kind of ads, and it's also good for link clicks, landing page views, messenger and WhatsApp calls, and the likes. So that is what this traffic objective is used for. Engagement objective. Engagement helps you to get more, even from the word engagement. It's very very easy to relate to. It helps you get more messages, video views, post engagement, page likes, or event responses. And it's also good for Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp, video views, post engagement, and also conversion. Now, leads. This is another campaign objective that is used to collect leads for your business brand. For example, if you are trying to grow your email list, this lead campaign objective is the best for it. So you want to grow your email list, you want more clients, you want more prospective customers to sign up some forms. You want to collect data and information from your client. You have to use this lead campaign objective. So it is good for instant form, messenger, conversion, and calls. So there are sometimes you all you want to do is just to get you want to get the phone number of your prospects. You want to get their email address. You want to grow your list. You want to get their WhatsApp numbers, just to grow your even your WhatsApp list also. So this lead campaign objective is good for that. And the next is app promotion. Now this is majorly for apps. Yeah, this is majorly for apps. You want people to see your apps in the online space, and also install your apps. This is for promoting apps. Now the next is sales. Now this campaign objective helps you find people who are likely to purchase your product or service. So if you are selling a product, whatever product or whatever service you want to promote, this sales objective is the best for it. So it helps you find people that are likely to purchase whatever you are selling, whatever you are trying to promote online. And it is good for conversion, for catalog sales, messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, and also for calls. So due to the kind of product you want to promote, a clothing um a clothing brand. We are trying to promote some materials, some fabrics. So the best campaign objective we have to use here is the sales campaign objective. So I've explained all these campaign objectives and their function. So you, next time when you want to run any ads for any client, you know the objective you have to use. It is very, very, very important. So you click on continue. After I click on continue, this point here is very important. Choose a campaign setup. I would advise you to always make use of manual control, where you can edit and put in whatever function you want, or whatever targeting you want your ads to be. So I would advise you to always select your manual control, where you can control your ads manually. So click on continue, and then the process of the ad creation will start. Just wait for the network to move on. Okay. So in every ad creation, there are always three segments that has to be completed before you can publish any ads online. And what are the three segments? We have the ad campaign, which is where we are here. This is the page for the ad campaign. We have the ad sets, and we have the ad itself, where you put in the ad creatives. So the first thing to do is the ad campaign. You create your campaign name, and also you put in the category. So let's create a campaign name. Ad example. Let's our campaign name is ad example. So we have ad example as our campaign name. The next is this is not important. It's not important. The category it's not necessary putting the category. So this is the only thing you'll be doing here. This is the only thing you'll be putting here in this campaign section. You just put in your ad campaign name, and then you leave this place. Then you move further. You come down here. You see next. Now I'm trying. Let me zoom. Let me make this thing very clear for you to see. So the next thing here to do is to click on next here at the bottom here. You click on next, and then the next takes you to the ad sets. Now if you can look at the, let me zoom in so you can see. Now we are now in the ad set level. We've left the campaign level. Now we're in the ad set level. So what you do here now is to fill in. I will show you the details you have to put in here so that you don't make any mistake. But I want you to pay attention. Please pay attention to this segment, because this is like the skeleton of, you are trying to build the skeleton of your ad. If you should make any mistake here, it will affect your ad, and it will make your ad effective. So please pay attention. The next thing you have to do is to put in your ad set name. So most of the times I use same name all through. So we're using ad example ad sets. Ad example ad sets. So that's what you're using. Now the next thing here is conversion. Look at this. You have conversion location. Choose where you want to drive sales. Is it to your website? Do you want to drive sales to your website? Do you have a website where you want to drive sales to, or is it to an app, or you want to drive sales to your website or app? Then the next is messaging apps. So click on messaging apps, because we want to drive our sales, our conversion to WhatsApp. So we want our leads to come into our WhatsApp, to DM us on our WhatsApp, and then we'll sell with our WhatsApp. So that is our objective there, and that should be your location. So this gives you the opportunity. This allows your ad to convert your audience to your WhatsApp PM. They will message you on your WhatsApp when you click on that. So the next thing to do, all these ones are less important. Just skip those ones and go to, now you see this Facebook page. If you have not created the page on your business manager, or with your Facebook, or from your Facebook page. So if you've not created any page, this page here will not display, rather it will tell you to create a page. So it's advisable to always create a page before you start creating your ad, before doing your ad creatives or whatever. So ensure you have a page already that you want to run your ads on, because without a page you cannot run ads. So, and that's the first and the most important thing. You create a page for the business or for the product you want to promote before coming to your ad manager. So the next thing is messaging app. Do you want to use your messenger as your as a social media handle you want to chat your clients with, or Instagram? Now from here you can see that you can also run Instagram ads from here. Facebook is one that controls both your Instagram and your Facebook and your WhatsApp. So we can also run Instagram ads from this place here. Our time is past 10 minutes, so I'm going to pause the video here and I'll continue in the next video. Stay tuned.